When gods and demons churned the ocean of destiny, he became the unshakable pivot, the ancient shell that bore the weight of greed, hope, and immortality. He stood immovable, bearing the mountain of destiny. Kurma, the eternal foundation. Kurma Rupena, Jagat Adharabhuta, Hariyar Swaham. From the abyss he rode, a celestial beast of strength and fury, with tusk gleaming like the sun. When the demon Hiranyaksh dragged Mata Prithvi into the dark abyss, he lifted the tusk on his sword, with strength that split the night apart. Varah, the cosmic board. Neither born of the womb nor bound by time, he erupted from stone to defend devotion with a roar that split heaven itself. Neither a man nor a beast, neither at day nor at night, to protect a child's devotion. Narsimha, the untamed protector. Om Ugram Viram Mahavishtum Dvalantam Sarvottamukham. As a sage, humble as a prayer, yet within him lived the expanses of galaxies. With 3 steps he measured the cosmos, reminding King Bali that ego and pride collapses before divine simplicity. Vamana, the gentle Colossus. Trivikantam Padekantram Trailokyam Shantanam Vibhu. When arrogance of king tore the fabrics of dharma, he rose to cleanse the earth of corruption with the wisdom of sage and wrath of a warrior. Parashuram, the storm of justice. Om Jamadagneya Dhimahi Tanno Parshuram Prachodayat. King, the embodiment of dharma, gentle as moonlight, unbreakable as destiny. Through exile, war and loss, he walked the path of righteousness. Rama, the unbroken king. Atma Rama, Ananda Ramana, Achyuta Keshava, Hari Narayana. Charming yet cosmic, playful yet profound, with a flute that bent destiny. Lover, warrior, and philosopher, dancing between love and war, speaking the truth that shaped eternity. Krishna, the divine enchanter. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. In an age of violence, he arrived as stillness, teaching compassion as strength and peace as the ultimate victory. A prince who walked away from gold to find the jewel within. Buddha, the enlightened one. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. The prophecy yet to unfold, when darkness thickens beyond recognition and truth falls silent, He will descend with a sword blazing with cosmic fire to reset the wheel of time, to awaken a new dawn. Kalki, the